Hi, this is Cindy, and I'm here to demonstrate how easy it is to create the Christmas cards featured on the Modern Musings blog. As you can see, I've started with some green cardstock, which is 1/2 of an 8.5 by 11 sheet. I've folded it in half, and I'm using my scissors to burnish the fold. Next, I cut a piece of pattern paper to 4" by 5¼ inches and adhered that to the card front. I took a scrap of brown cardstock and cut a strip about 1/2 inch by 3½ inches. No need to be precise. This is the trunk of your tree, so make it as thin or as wide as you like. Then adhere that to the card about a 1/2 inch up from the bottom. Next, cut the green cardstock from corner to corner to make 2 triangles. You can set one aside for use later. Cut the remaining triangle into 3 or 4 chunky blocks and arrange them on the trunk however you like. Once you like it, you can adhere them with a little glue or tape runner. Decorating your tree is easy. Just use a dot of liquid glue to add a star and some sequins, rhinestones, buttons, or other decorations to your liking. And there you have it, a cute Christmas tree card. Thanks for watching.